Masuko kag balik-balikon ako. Aro nga. Para makatigo.
Bagus kakak suku.
Masuko balik-balikon ako kadili man gyapon mao. Balik-balikon gyud na para makantigo.
A good beginning. So good ending. A good ending. So one experience. My ever dearest parents, friends, beloved tutors, teachers, visitors, especially to our very own guests from the nation of Johor City, ladies and friends, get safe. Today, excited and proud to all of us, especially to us co-teachers who are very excited to attend this event. Moving on to reckoning is one of the most unforgettable days where our parents experience priceless happiness and be able to say thank you. Nakukuha na mo dato sa akong anak sa eskwela. Sunod ay napagpuan. Our parents are supportive. We could reach this moment without them. Moving up is the start of our dream and to grow and to reach the top of success step by step. Let's enjoy and look forward to our choice and life ahead. Once again, welcome.
Thank you so much, Jose and Enzo, for your cheerful